Okay, do you like these things?
I like, but there is no money I have to spend.
So I can spend. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today again we are going to outside with our trainees. This class is going to be very amazing because that's the first time we are going to conduct this class. The class is observation. Observation. And listen what you have to do over there. Basically you have to do 2-3 things simply. What is the mass? Don't disturb. So you have to do 2-3 things over there. Firstly, you have to observe. You can see anyone over there. What is wrong? What is bad? कि अंकल आपने देखा भाई अंकल क्या है भैया वो थैलियाँ लेकर के जा रहे हैं मेहनत कर रहे हैं लकड़ी लदी हुई है आपने ऑब्जर्व किया वहाँ पर देखा कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं why he is working hard तो आपको रीज़न पता चलेगा because of his family because of his son because of his daughter because of his family आपको ऑब्जर्वेशन वहाँ से मिलेगा अगर आपने देखा कि एक बंदा क्या है बतासे बेच रहा है देखिएगा आदमी क्या है अपने पैसे का रिस्पेक्ट क्या बेच रहा है मतलब पुलिस वाले आते हैं डंडा मार कर भगा दिए कोई कुछ नहीं है तो वहाँ से आपको ऑब्जर्वेशन मिलेगा कुछ आप यू हैव टू स्पीक फ्रॉम योर हार्ट आप थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्व करके अंदर से बोलिएगा यू हैव टू स्पीक फ्रॉम देयर ओके एंड वी विल ऑल्सो गो इनसाइड मज़ार ऑल्सो इंशाल्लाह ताला एंड वी विल ऑल्सो ऑब्जर्व समथिंग inside Mazar also and we will also observe something right so are you ready for that yes sir okay so let's go two people so as you can see we have come here in Dewa Sharif in the street of that road that is very famous Qawmi Ekta Gate road and here there are so many people they are selling their fruits and in this time our country has become very slouch potato they are very interested in eating spicy things in spicy items so they are very interested in eating spicy items so there are some fruits and dates and pineapple and as well as pomegranate so let us ask so first of all what is Nawaz so and Mr. Faz yes, please come here so can you tell me why people are not having these things which is very important for their health I don't know why people
I want to answer.
Yes
I want to answer this question.
Answer.
Do you know when we eat something like burger and pizza, when we eat this, the dopamine level will increase. That's why we have habit to eat these things. But when we eat these things like guava and dates and banana, like these things, as you can see in this camera. So people, the heat is not heat. वो heat नहीं मिल पाता.
That's the kick we do not get from
we do not get from these things.
So how can we make, for example, I know this is very important for our health, so how can we make our daily routine and our day to life and how can we include in our
it is something
life?
really very impossible but you can do this there is one thing that we call dopamine detox if we away from the screen and away from this spicy and just like these things when we eat and dopamine level increase for 7 days we don't have to do this
so
this
basically we can say due to short term happiness people are just sacrificing long term happiness.
That is the thing when we eat fruit this will affect our health not by negative way but the positive way but if we eat
I wanna ask so now as you can see these are blackberries which are very also important for our health so like some people are eating directly from trees, and some people are selling. So do you think that which is good? We can eat by just plucking from the trees, and we can purchase these things.
We can purchase this thing because he is already washed. He washed and so that he's clean and he's better for me. So that is why we should purchase and we don't take.
So भाई ये कितने कितने रुपए का है ये?
15 रुपए किलो.
15 रुपए किलो. So 15 rupees per kg. So that's not expensive.
That's a costly, sir.
That's not costly.
That's a costly, sir.
A man, you know, he has plucked from the trees. He has spent his much time.
No,
So
but
15 rupees, that's not enough.
15 rupees is 15 rupees. Not a 2 rupees, sir.
But what about his timing? He has spent much time to earn.
Yes, that's a business. So that's a right for them. That's a business.
Okay, absolutely. So what about? Can you tell why people don't eat in this time these things like fruits and these things like?
Also,
some
Waris Nawaz
people-
told you. Also, Waris Nawaz told you that people are eating burger and pizza and almost that dopamine level is like that type of. Yes.
Due to short-term happiness, the main reason is that.
Yeah, that is the thing.
Okay, do you like these things?
I like, but there is no money I have to spend.
So I can spend. Do you wanna eat it?
I want to eat it, but in this time you don't have money.
I have
You have.
1 pound, 250 gram.
Oh,
We can purchase. So can you tell me what is the price of this gullak?
200 rupees.
200 rupees.
His not galla.
But what is this?
His roti pots.
Oh, this is roti pot.
Yes.
And so can we eat food in this plate?
30 rupees.
Can we eat food? Can we eat food in
Yes.
this plate?
Yes.
We can eat.
Yes.
But after washing, this will is like melt into water.
Yes, is not problem. His wash water and
No problem.
No problem.
We can eat it. And I can cook food in this. I can cook food.
not.
I cannot cook food.
Yes.
Anyway, by the way, so this was fantastic to meet you. And okay, by the way.